Okay, Nancy and Ojasvi, your topic is, should we spend a lot of money on our wedding ceremonies or not? Okay? So, you will support, we should spend money and you will not. Okay?
What I believe is that we should spend wedding happens once in our life. Wedding does not happen like frequently. So we can spend a large amount on our weddings, because weddings just happens once in our life. It does not repeat again and again. They do not happen frequently.
I'm partially agree with you. Like, I believe that wedding is a one-time occasion, but tell me one thing, that happiness is more important or money is more important? We
But-
can also celebrate our wedding in just a small, like doing some small wear.
But when the wedding is large, when the wedding is luxurious, so I don't believe you are not happy at that time. You are saying that you are happy when wedding is small. I believe when wedding is large, when wedding is luxurious, do you feel that when wedding is luxurious, then you at that time you will not be happy?
I don't feel so that, because those who want their, like, it's a connection between two people, and I don't think that we should do a very grand like a wedding.
But
because
wedding-
those parents who are not who are not able to do their son or daughter like a wedding grandly, like in a grand wedding, so how will they can manage? How can they will manage the money?
But not every parent is poor, and what I mean is, everyone wants their wedding to be grand. No one wants their wedding to be small. No one wants a simple a very simple and small
But
wedding.
you are doing
Everyone
a grand
wants a
wedding. You are
large
doing a grand
wedding.
wedding, so in this there is also wastage of food. So what about that?
I don't believe in
grand
luxurious.
wedding, it's a wastage of food is
There is nothing
more as
like that.
compared to in a small wedding. So what about that?
I don't believe that. I agree that in wedding there is some kind of wastage, but when you have money, wedding just happens once in a life. It does not happen frequently. You are saying, but wedding just happens in
But
once
you
in a
can't say
life.
that wedding
So
is only
you-
a one-time occasion.
It is.
No,
Look
not
at-
many people do only one time. You can say this.
Yes. So everyone in this world do once only. No one
you
repeats
can't
their
say that
wedding.
everyone that do a once in a life. You can't
Have
say
you seen
this.
anyone doing repeating their
There are
wedding?
many like example we have seen.
We
Social
have
media.
seen, but almost everyone in this world do their wedding just
You can't
once.
say that almost
And when
everyone.
you're talking
You can't
about
say that
food wastage,
almost everyone. You're not
almost
able to
everyone.
say.
Have
No,
you seen
can't
anyone
say.
in your life? Have you seen anyone?
I have seen.
You
Doing
may
a
have seen,
design.
but I have not seen. And I completely say I just want to say that weddings just happens once in a
I'm not
life.
agree with you. Like you are saying that
You are
wedding
completely illogical. Where you
are
cannot.
logical. You are saying that a wedding is like we are doing all the people doing wedding just one time. It is
So,
I don't
do you
this.
think that if you are saying that weddings, you don't have to spend large amount in your wedding, and you are saying that you should repeat your wedding?
I'm not saying that. I'm saying
What
that
do you mean that?
you are saying that everyone are doing only one time. It's not a
That's what I'm saying. That
logical. What about that?
you are saying
Okay.
wedding just happens.
Please, judges, any question?
Yes, now you have to ask them questions regarding.
Ojasvi, you said wedding happens once in a lifetime, so
Yes, ma'am.
money should be spent. So there are many things that happen once in a lifetime. We got 10th
But
result.
ma'am, wedding is a large occasion. We can celebrate it too good, and it just happens once in a life. Wedding does not happens again and again. So that if we are not spending a large amount now, so we can spend it later, or we can recreate the memories. It is not like that. When you are at the occasion, when you are at the wedding, you just have that time to celebrate your wedding. Apart from that, you will not have any time to spend your money apart from wedding. Like when you are in wedding, it just happens once, ma'am. And she said that it happens again and again.
But
That's
why it's all about wedding? Many things, many good things happens once in a lifetime.
So we should spend
I can
money.
top 10th board once. I can top 12th board once. I can get my favorite job once. I have my daughter once. So there are many good things in life, and money can be spent on that too. But why only wedding?
Ma'am, but these occasions, I agree that these things happens once in a life. But when we talk about wedding, that is something huge and something large.
Why?
Because it is something like lifelong. We are talking about wedding. It is not something small. Lifelong we are talking about. Wedding is literally a large thing. Like you cannot take it as granted. Like it ab ho jayegi. So it is not like that. So what I believe is when you are in a wedding, so you need to spend a lot. And as she's saying that small weddings, but what I believe is everyone in this world wants their luxurious wedding, not a small wedding. No one wants to go to the pandit and
okay, it's my request, every student, because you said that parents have money, parents are poor. So it's my request, if you wish to spend on your money on wedding, make sure you spend your own money.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it's my request with every student. Earn so high and spend huge money on your weddings. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
We
ma'am.
should not rely on our parents for the lavish wedding.
Yes,
Yes.
You
that's
know?
the main.
Yes.
Okay, any question to Nancy?
Nancy, you, didn't support overspending or spending on lavishly on wedding. What would you do? What would you suggest? Like, there should be a way out because it's more of a wish. It's more of a wish than need to actually spend on weddings. And most of the people coming from, middle class also, they are somehow bound to spend money. So what's the way out? Like you are not supporting that. So what's the way out to do that?
Sir, for those like many people are coming from a middle class, and someone also have a desire to deep drink, but they also have to see the money. If I talk about the daughter, if I I give you the example, father wants to do their daughter wedding very grandly, but they don't have so much money. So how can you do? And in a girl side, we also have to purchase some ornaments, jewelry ornaments like gold, and nowadays the prices of gold are increasing day by day. So we can also do a small wedding and simply wedding with a very joy and happiness. And I believe that happiness is more important than the money. So we can also get happy in
sorry
small
to interrupt you here. It's not just your happiness. Actually, you have to please everybody who
Yes.
you call there, including the relatives and family or friends, whosoever.
Yes, sir,
is
it's
there.
also about there, but whether you are, my opinion is that whether you're doing a grand or a simple, they will always something. They will always judge you by something. They always look out something problems. They have some habits, some relatives and other
So
people.
how to deal with that?
So we just have to not just think what they will think about us. It's our moment, so we just have to think about us.
So how will you maintain the relationships?
Huh?
How will you maintain the terms with them? How will you maintain the relationships?
With relatives.
Obviously.
Politely we can also explain them and understand that it's our it's
Okay.
our occasion, so we will do us whatever we want to do. And in their family also some functions that come, if we are not interrupting them, so they should not also interrupt us.
Okay.
Then there is a sense of comparison also. They compare. People have
Yes, sir.
natural instinct
Yes.
of comparing. So how to deal with that? They
And
compare
so-
with
So I
others.
personally believe that if you want to be a happy in your life, so don't see and don't think about what people will say, what people will judge, and what people will compare with you with
And
others
so-
or whatever the thing.
we will have to live in the society, so we have to maintain the relationship.
Okay.
Fine, fine,
All
that
right.
will do.
All right.
That will do.